Good morning. Welcome to Phi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make a tom kha chicken with banana flour.
Roll intro!
Okay, we use chicken thigh today. 200 gram of chicken thigh, 20 gram of lemongrass, 20 gram of galangal, spring onion, coriander, fresh chili, kaffir lamb leaf, roast dried chili, 2 spoons of sugar, quarter spoon of salt, and 3 lamb. 1 can of coconut milk, 400 ml, and 1 can of banana flour. We cut lemongrass and smash with the knife. Galangal, do really thin. Okay, we boil the chicken with the water until you can see the frost come out, and then you just get rid of the frost. Don't stir, just leave it. Okay, now you can see the frost, then you just throw it out until you can see the water very clear.
And what's that from? Is that from the fat? Or?
Yeah, from the fat. Right, now can see clear. Can see clear. Okay, now you can see water very clear, right? And you, yeah, okay, then we put lemongrass and the kaffir lamb leaf. You just tear into small pieces, and then put the galangal, kaffir lamb leaf. Yeah, and put coconut milk. Okay, and put the banana flour. And you boil together. Leave it about 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, after 10 minutes, just make sure the chicken is cooked. Okay. Make sure the chicken is cooked, then we put sugar. We have prepared. And then lamb. Okay, now everything done. Okay, last we put dry chili. Okay, we put in the bowl. Okay, then you can put chili oil if you like. Yeah. Okay. Right.
You could have this with rice, or you could just have it just by itself. But look at that. Creamy, sour, salty, touch of sweetness, spice. Oh, and the chicken is so succulent. And a banana, I love banana flour. The first time I had banana flour, I was just like, what the hell is this? But it really adds an extra special dimension.
Okay, this is our tom kha chicken with banana flour. This is how it look like. Yeah, and then you can try at home. Actually, very easy for recipe. You can have this one at the soup or with a jasmine rice or accompany with stir fry vegetable. And stay safe while you stay at home. Don't forget to try to cook this one. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. All right, thank you. Bye bye.